Hello everybody, welcome to my WordPress tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how can I change the admin password of a WordPress website which is currently installed in my localhost. Okay, so I actually forgot my username and password of that website, and I have to know what is the username and what is the password of the website, or I have to change, or I have to change the password from the PHP my admin area. In this video I'm going to show you how can I change the password, and how can I know the username of that website. Okay, so first of all I have to go localhost and slash phpMyAdmin. Now I remember that I have the name of the database for that website is Alex, and I know the database name. So you have to select the database, and then you have to select the WP user table, and then you can see that here is one user only. Now I'm going to edit that user. This is the username. Okay, so this will be the username. I'm going to copy that and paste here, and I have to change the password. Okay, this is the password area, but this is not a proper. If I write here new password, new new pw, this is the new password. If I change that, WordPress won't work properly. Okay, this is new new and I will see that the password not working. So I have to generate md5 hash password. So I have to go text to md5 hash. Okay, md5 hash. Okay, this is the text to md5 converter. Here I can convert any text to md5 hash. Okay, so I'm writing the password currently I want to be in the website. I'm simply writing admin admin. Okay, now I'm generating the md5 code. Okay, this is the md5 code. Okay, I'm copying that, and I have to paste that in the password field. Okay, so this is the username, and password will be the admin. Now I'm going to update the table, and now I'm going to the backend. Okay, no need. I'm just simply writing admin, which will be the new password. Okay, login. Then I can see that it will be login successfully. Okay, we are successfully logged in the dashboard of that website. Thanks for watching my tutorial. Take care.